Hello viewers, how are you friends? I hope guys you all will be fine, doing well, also enjoying the best condition of your health. So guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Fancy Fashion. Today I'm here again with a very beautiful video. In this video I'm gonna share you the most beautiful, so trendy and amazing designs of leather, thigh high boots and leather outfits. As you're looking in this video, all these designs are so trendy. And if you guys are new here at this channel, so please don't forget to subscribe. Also please like and share my videos with your friends, family members and on social media also. And must tell me in the comment section if you like any of them. So thanks for watching. Keep reading and watching for my videos. Also take care friends and goodbye.